Well, I think this Ocean Conference is the most wonderful opportunity for us to showcase what is best about the Pacific, what's the best about Fiji, but actually it exemplifies what we aspire to do in the Commonwealth, because Fiji is one of the important small island states within the Commonwealth family, particularly within the Pacific family, can speak so powerfully about the importance of our oceans and the need that we all have to preserve those oceans and our marine ecosystems. The ocean has always been incredibly important to the Pacific, and the Pacific Islanders have been the guardians for the world of the Pacific Ocean. So to have started this conference with the traditional welcome from Fiji, I think was so poignant and so important, because it's making the world look at development through the lens of our small, vulnerable island states. And the synergy, because we have the President this year, Mr. Thompson, sitting in the seat on behalf of Fiji, but to have the Prime Minister with the Deputy Prime Minister of Sweden launch this conference and be the president, co-president of that too, is very, very important as we lead up to the COP23 conference in Bonn. And just as the Pacific has been talking about a blue Pacific, we are now talking about a blue Commonwealth, because the majority of our Commonwealth countries have such a vast amount of oceans, and if we are to protect those oceans, stop the degradation, then we've got to think about how we can develop a regenerative model, not only for our climate, but also for our seas. So I'm very proud that Fiji is leading the way, very proud that Fiji is a great member of our Commonwealth, and through Fiji we will hope to help the world better listen and better understand as to what we collectively have to do to save our oceans.
From the Commonwealth, what will be your message for the people out there, especially in the Pacific Ocean and other places, especially the leaders that are here today for the 5-day meeting, the conclusion of the meeting? What do you think will be the main message to them in terms of keeping our ocean safe and clean?
Well, I think our main message is we can together do this. None of us can do this on our own, not one, but together, collectively, every country putting its shoulder to the wheel, every country giving of its best, every country sharing with each other the things that did not work, so that we don't replicate our mistakes. I think the thing that I feel so passionately is now is our moment. We can't wait for anyone else to do this for us. We have to do it for ourselves. And that's why I am proud that since 1989, the Commonwealth has been saying with one voice, we have to conserve our world. We have to look at our ecosystems, and we have to save our oceans. And for many years, we were saying that this was going to happen, and now it's here. The threat, the existential threat is here. But I believe in the genius of humanity. I believe in comity, and I think we can take that genius and that commitment and turn it into real actions. So I want us to have a blue Commonwealth. I want us to join and link arms with the blue Pacific, and let's turn our world blue. Let's keep our world blue and save our oceans.
Once again, thank you, ma'am, for availing it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.